This assignment involves looking at a picture, finding the main idea, the supporting details that make you think that's the main idea, and then titling it. So let's go ahead and look at slide number 1 here, or picture number 1. Okay, if I had to ask you what is going on here, you should be able to say, a little girl is learning to ride a bike. That is your main idea. So down here in this area, if I get my text box, insert text box. Now remember, the main idea is always a full sentence. A little girl is learning to ride a bike. Period. So I've got a little girl is learning to ride a bike. Now, what makes me think that? That's what the supporting details are, the things that are going to go around it that say, oh, that makes sense. So I'm getting a new text box, and I'm going to say supporting detail number 1 might be the dad is holding on to the bike for support. That's what happens when we learn to ride a bike. Okay, number 2, what else do I see in those pictures that make me think that she's just learning? The facial features on the girl support fear. She looks just a little bit unsure of herself, a little bit afraid. So I believe that she's scared. And then I have to find my third one, which in this third one, this one gets a little harder. So I've got dad is holding onto the bike, the little girl, the age of the girl. The age of the girl, oops, not the furl, the girl is approximately 8 years old. 8 years old, and that is when we learn to ride bikes. That's about an age. So what I have now, and I'm going to leave that there. And now the last thing I have to do is I have to think of a title. What would I think of the title of this? I would think it goes right back with main idea. Girl learns to ride bike. So that's what you have to do for these next ones. So here's picture number 2, picture number 3, picture number 4, and picture number 5. Now remember, you have to have full sentences in order for it to be a main idea.